Hello guys, welcome back to Thymeleaf tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to add Bootstrap CSS file to Thymeleaf template and how to use Bootstrap CSS classes in Thymeleaf HTML page. Alright, let's get started. In previous video, we have seen how to add custom CSS and JS files to Thymeleaf template page. Now we're gonna see how to add Bootstrap CSS file to Thymeleaf template engine. Alright, so there are basically two ways. Either you can just add a CDN Bootstrap CSS link to the HTML page, or you can download a Bootstrap CSS library from the official website and you can add library to the project and you can just include path of the Bootstrap CSS file in a Thymeleaf template. So we're gonna see both the approaches. Alright, great. So let me quickly create Thymeleaf templates under templates folder. Right click on templates folder, new, and then choose other and then HTML file, and let's give a file name as bootstrap or add bootstrap.html, something like this. Okay, just replace the title over here and let's give title as add bootstrap to Thymeleaf, something like this. Okay, and go to the browser, and in the browser just search for Bootstrap CSS CDN. Okay, something like this, and this is the official website of Bootstrap CSS framework. And just go down. So look at here, these are the CDN links. So these are the basically remote links you can quickly add and use Bootstrap CSS classes. So if you want to add CDN link, just you can copy this link and you can add in a header section of HTML page, paste it here like this. Okay, so this is how you can add a CDN link to your HTML page. The second way is, what you can do, you can just create a file, CSS file, something like this, bootstrap min.css. alright, and just copy this link and go back to the browser, and in the browser just hit this link and just copy this CSS content and open bootstrap min.css file and paste it here. Okay, so what we have done, we have created bootstrap.min.css file and we have just copied content from official website and we have just added to the local bootstrap min.css file. Alright, you can also download the Bootstrap library. Just go to the official website and just click on download Bootstrap. It will download Bootstrap CSS libraries. Alright, so to keep it simple, I just hit this URL in a browser here and just I copied the content of this file and I have added to the project. Now how to add this local bootstrap min.css file to the Thymeleaf HTML page. So look at here, so let me quickly remove this. So this is a link HTML element and then th and then href equals to at. So at is basically the context path of our application, and now give the folder name CSS and the file name is bootstrap.min.css, and again this is the attribute and it has style sheet. Okay, just save it. Now we have added a bootstrap file, a bootstrap library to our Thymeleaf HTML page. Now look at here, to avoid this warning, what I will do, I will simply copy this link and I will paste it here. Okay, so this basically, this is a Thymeleaf attribute So this attribute basically reported from this official website. Okay, now we have seen how to add a Bootstrap CSS to Thymeleaf template page. Now let us see how to use Bootstrap CSS classes inside our HTML page. Okay, in a body just create a div and let's use container CSS class. Inside a div create one more div. Now what we'll do, we'll quickly create a table, HTML table, and inside a table we'll create a table header. Alright, after table header we're going to create table body and go to the table header. Inside table header create a row, and inside a row let's quickly create header th, and here let's give a table header name as employee first name. Copy this and let us say employee last name and employee email. Alright, go to the table body, create a row, and here create a data inside a table. So let us say employee first name is something like Ramesh. Alright, let me copy this tag quickly, and this is further and this is email. Alright, now create a method handler, right? So let me quickly copy this handler method and let's give a URL like bootstrap, and this returns a template add bootstrap, and let's change a method name like bootstrap. Okay, so to demonstrate how to use Bootstrap CSS classes and how to add Bootstrap library to Thymeleaf template engine, I just created this Thymeleaf template, and this is a method handler to access this Thymeleaf template. So this is the HTML page you can find here. Save it. Let's run the Spring Boot project and let us see the demo. Alright, let's access this method handler from the browser. Let me copy this link. In the browser just type localhost 8080/bootstrap. Yeah, here we go. So look at here, Bootstrap CSS are successfully applied to the HTML page. Okay, great. Okay, so look at here, we have used Bootstrap CSS class, that is container, row, and these are the Bootstrap provided CSS classes. Okay, great. So in further videos we'll learn a lot about how to use a Bootstrap CSS classes in the Thymeleaf templates, and also how to dynamically change data inside a HTML table by using Thymeleaf expressions. Okay, great. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.